What's up, guys? Let's talk about the severe weather threat here for New Jersey and Long Island, New York, especially as we move into tomorrow, Tuesday, the 21st. Something to look out for. Share with your family and friends with this video here. But as we move through the day to day or continuing through our night, not expecting too much until we hit the early morning on Tuesday, which we'll start to see the development of some showers and storms. Now, there will be 2 rounds of showers and storms here for our Tuesday. Now, of course, the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted our area for some severe risks, especially looking at the wind-driven damage side being the higher risk or higher threat. And then, of course, tornado probabilities are on the lower end, around 5% chance, which is still something to watch out for. And also hail, which is around 15%. Now, of course, looking ahead, we got this upper level trough that's going to help assist some of the support for this activity. And we're looking at also some wind shear. There's going to be some decent wind shear to help organize these storms. Now, as these storms start to develop, we're going to see a bit more activity, especially for our northern New Jersey and southern side of New York State there. This will bring some heavy downpours, strong wind gusts, damaging wind gusts, possibly up to 60 to 70 miles per hour for some severe storms here. Now, not all these storms are going to bring some strong gusts, but still, something to watch out for is the rainfall as well and some hail. Now, central New Jersey was showing earlier the beginning part of these storms. We're going to be further south, so still, if you guys are in the further southern part of New Jersey, please be on the lookout. But this will move through New York City and then the rest of Long Island, and then slowly dissipating there. Now, this is just the first round through the early afternoon hours. Once we start to peak towards the evening, we'll get this second round of storms, which will be more intense. And also, depending on the storm mode, if they're isolated or if they're clustered. If they're isolated, there's a better chance for a spin up or a tornado risk. And if they're more clustered up, there still could be some embedded tornado chances there. So something not to just rule out. Now, look at this activity as it pushes towards Long Island, portions of central New Jersey. Now, where you see that red is the heaviest rain there, guys. New Jersey, northern New Jersey around there, showing more of the heavier rain in that area. But as this continues to push through Long Island, you know, we're going to be seeing heavy rain, wind gusts, potential hail, and like I said, a possible spin up or like I said, tornado risk. So this is something to look out for, guys. If you're going to be commuting tomorrow, make some plans, make some backup plans, share with others so everyone can be alerted there. So what I want to show you now is the end of the day on Tuesday, what we could be looking at, especially as those storms move through. We're, you know, a few of us here, Mount Olive showing 4.5 inches, Edison showing 1 inch, around Hamilton Township around 3 inches. So a few areas here. Look at New York around 2.5 inches there. So there's a few areas showing 4.5 just within the western portion of Long Island. You guys definitely be on the lookout for any type of flooding. Turn around, don't drown. We already know New York City already got hit with some flooded areas. Just a few spots that are reaching up to 5 inches. So not something to play around with in southern portions of New York State here as well. We got to stay safe. When it comes to those generalized wind gusts as well, we're going to be feeling breezy for some time here as we got those tight pressure gradients, and that's going to help bring in some breezy conditions, showing up to 20, maybe some upper 20s there, maybe some 30s for a few of us, especially stronger closer to the coast. So just stay aware. And when we get to the morning hours on Wednesday, there could be a few more isolated showers and storms that could pass through. Now, just remember, guys, on Tuesday, we could be looking at snapped trees, down power lines. Make sure you let others know, your neighbors, let them know these storms could become pretty serious. So I want you guys to stay safe out there. Thank you for watching this first video of mine, and hopefully I keep you guys updated every day.